friends, it's Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of the She Makes Club, and I want to introduce you to the newest member of our family. This is Finn Diesel, and this is the fish that Graydon picked out, Betta Fish, that he picked out for his 9th birthday. So I printed out these 2 pictures at home, and I'm going to trim them down, and we're going to use the Sawyer Scrapbook paper and stickers from Close to My Heart. I thought they were fun and bright, and even though they have a little bit of those pastel colors, bringing in more of the Harbor colors, I feel like really accentuates the colors in Finn Diesel, as well as celebrating Graydon's birthday. So I'm going to take this sheet of paper, I'm going to cut it down to a 7 by 7 inch square, and then take a piece of white cardstock and do a 6.5 inch by 6.5 inch square. So just a little bit smaller, and I'm going to kind of offset them a little bit on this banner style page, kind of like that. And I'm kind of playing, I don't know which way I want the banners to go, but I'm going to keep them the traditional way. Now I'm just going to ATG them down. And of course, I'm having issues with my pink ATG gun. The gears are just not working. I do have a video on the channel on how to reload your ATG gun, but ultimately I'm going to switch it out for my yellow one through this course of this, because it's just driving me crazy that the gears keep sticking and then not going forward. But I've had this thing now for, my goodness, probably 11, 12 years. All right, so now what I'm going to do is take this border sticker in the kit, and I have to remove all of the interior pieces. So I'm just like literally going through and pushing them out individually, one by one. It doesn't take too long, but just have to do that part really quickly. And then I'm going to lay it connecting that mint green color background paper and that white cardstock, and then I'm just going to trim off the end, so it just gives it a nice little like anchor point and separation. And then I'm going to take that trim off and I'm going to place it in the top right corner, just to give a little bit more, again, anchor, separation, and use the whole sticker. So don't be afraid to cut them up and use them. Now what I want to do is kind of make sure I have space, and I'm going to grab the Harbor color cardstock, again, to bring in some of those darker teals blue color, really accentuate the color of the Betta Fish. I think his name is adorable, Finn Diesel. I mean, let's be real, Graydon and the kids came up with that all on their own, and I just laughed. I was like, I don't know how you guys got so clever and smart, but it's cute. So we just wanted to do a page to not only celebrate Graydon's 9th birthday, but also celebrate the newest member of the family. And his smile in this picture is everything cute and adorable. So I'm going to use the sticker that says cutie with the arrow, the sticker that says all smiles, and then I want to incorporate this rainbow, but we're going to have a little bit of fun playing with that. We're going to use it a little bit differently. So I'm going to take some of the other stickers that are on this sheet, kind of lay them around, place them around, and have fun just embellishing the page. I really love these moth butterflies a ton, and even though this is a fish, I thought it looked really, really cute. So now you're going to see me peel that entire entire sticker off, which I do sometimes. Remember, it's not a mistake, it's an opportunity to embellish. So we're going to peel it off. I'm going to put the label sticker down, add a few more other stickers in and around, and eventually we're going to add half of, right here, half of the rainbow back in, and I'll just stick the other half over here, and maybe eventually even add some more things to it. So that's what we're going to play with here. So once I finish with all the different stickers, I'm then going to grab my pen. I want to write in some of my journaling, meet Finn Diesel. I'm going to write the date at the top, which was Graydon's birthday, and then I'm going to fill in a happy 9th birthday to Graydon, and just a little happy and fun to pick out the fish with you today and all that good stuff. So Finn is doing well. He is loving his new home and habitat, which is great. He's bringing actually a lot of smiles and joy to the home. And finally, I'm going to add some glitter gems. This is in the color Bluebell, which is a fun new color. I love the glitter and the different sizes. And I'm just going to accentuate with the big ones and the little ones all around the page. And really, I think it came together super cute, super quick layout I had done in under 10 minutes time, which I love when you can do that. And I hope you did too. Enjoyed watching today and meeting the newest member of our family. I hope that you'll come over and join us inside She Makes Club, where we love to tell our stories together, have fun with the cricket, kit, do journaling and reflecting on life and what matters, and I'd love to invite you in. And if you would, please like, subscribe, share, do all the Facebooky, YouTubey things, and enjoy the moments. Bye.